So we're about to transplant the beans. So what I did right now is like I'm drowning the coconut medium just to make sure that it's relaxed and I can grab the roots. As you can see, the roots are starting to emerge right there. I can just irrigate it, just drown it, get the roots separated from the coconut husk, so that when I try to pull it, I'm not damaging the roots. That's the idea behind it. That's why I kind of like coconut husk, because it allows you to do that. I can just simply gently massage it, massage it, massage it, and massage it, 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 and I can slowly pull out the roots. Tape this for me. No, don't pull. Gently massage, 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 massage. Get me some more water. Massage. Ni wala po na meteo na go bagala. Medlo asu sama suli. Massage. Get me more water. Yeah, subash lang. Yeah. Massage. Hey, gently, slowly. I'm massaging. Just give me more water, it's fine. More water, massaging. You see how it just comes out? Boom. Give me some water. Doucement. Massage. And then I can just take this, put it in here. Dig the hole bigger for me, please. Yep, bigger. Just don't worry about it. Just all the way big. Yep. Boom. Let's take this, place it in here. Boom. Place this and get some of this out. Get a nice root system here. Don't pack it too hard. That's it. Nice rooting system. And then I have this planted. And for the rest of them, I can simply drop this out. See, I didn't lose any roots. I'm gonna plant this here. Just again, give me another hole. Another hole. Dig deeper! Deeper, private! Hurry up! Yes! More, deeper. Deep, both ends, so separate it. There you go. It's just coming back. Hey, wait, hold on. You just crushed the plate. Yes. Okay. Yep. Pack it. The other side too. Boom. Oh man, I didn't have it on camera. That's good.